So here we are. Here's the sump pump. When this system right here gets an overflow, it's water. It's going to go into the sump pump, pump it out in the street. But in the meantime, that usually is not going to happen. This is the fountain. Here's the two tops. That's going to give us access to the rainwater harvesting system. On the bottom, it's a matrix system we used, which concrete got poured just to make the top a little bit stronger, but it'll hold almost 2,000 gallons of rainwater. And yeah, the wood will come off. Then there's going to be a deck built on that, and so everything is coming right along schedule. So this is kind of how it looks, and then we'll do another video once we get it up and running. Okay, thanks for watching.